In this video, we're going to talk about 10 topics that'll blow up any channel on YouTube. And if you stick around, I'm not only going to give you the topics, I'm also going to show you step by step how you can create your own topics that'll do the same for your channel. Before we get started, let me preface this by saying there are still a couple things that you're going to have to do on your end to make sure this works properly. One is create a great thumbnail so that people click to see your actual video. And then once they do click your actual video, the video has to keep people engaged. But the topics I'm about to share with you right now are at least going to solve the first part of the equation, which is getting you recognized in the search engine. Now, I've already ran these topics through TubeBuddy to ensure that they have a score of excellent in all three categories, specifically in the search volume, because that's one of the metrics that you definitely want to focus on when you're creating topics that are going to get clicks. It's the search volume. And I've already ran these topics through, so these are the topics that are going to get you clicks. Topic number 1. Everything you need to be a YouTuber this year. Now, this topic is a good topic because it uses some of the keywords that are highly searched in the YouTube algorithm. One being the word YouTube and the other being the phrase this year. These are highly searched terms on YouTube, so that if you optimize your videos correctly, it'll increase your chances of your videos actually being found by people who are searching for these terms. The next title is the 10 things you must know about for success. Now, this is a good title that will not only get you found in search, but is also a good title for your CPM, because you're using words like success. Anytime you use words like success, money, or anything that has to deal with finances or anything like that, your CPMs are going to be higher because advertisers, again, always pay higher for certain key terms used on YouTube. So this is a good topic for that reason. The next topic is, this is what love looks like in the morning. Now, the great thing about a title like this is that if you're a channel that does kind of satirical, satirical videos or anything that's kind of heartfelt, maybe you could use this title and kind of repurpose it around your content and it'll bring in the clicks. Like I said, I've already vetted these in TubeBuddy, so they already have a high probability of getting found in search. And the other thing I like about topics like this is that they tend to create a great space for creating a really engaging video, something that will really get people thinking and, kind of be heartfelt and hold people's attention. The next topic is 5 steps to achieve financial freedom at home. Now, this topic is pretty self-explanatory. A lot of people have been home for a long period of time. So a lot of people are looking for ways to do a lot of different things to make money, to be successful. So this is an all-around good topic for the time period that we're in. And because I think a lot of people have a general desire to find different ways to achieve financial freedom from the comforts of their own home. The next topic is how to cure loneliness in 5 easy steps. Now, this is a great topic for someone who has kind of a wellness channel or something that is going to help enrich people's lives from a self-care or a self-help kind of perspective. Even if a motivational channel might do well with this, or any channel really could use that to speak to that particular audience. Now, the next topic, how to start a business you love for free, is a great topic because it really speaks to a lot of different areas. It speaks to the business niche, it speaks to the wellness niche, and other areas that people may be interested in all in one topic. So that makes it a great topic to consider doing a video about if you really want to boost your channel and also work on your CPM. Next topic, 5 questions every new YouTube channel faces. Now, that's pretty self-explanatory. You're talking about anything that's dealing with YouTube growth or YouTube monetization or anything like that. You can kind of repurpose this topic to speak to those type videos. So it's a really good topic to create a video about and add to your channel if you're trying to head down the route of talking about YouTube growth or things like that. So definitely consider using that topic if that's what you're looking for. What happens your first week on YouTube as a content creator? Similar as the topic before, but with the difference that you can actually create something that's really personable around this topic and from a more personal and relatable perspective, because everybody has a story about their first week on YouTube. And this is something that'll draw in those new content creators who want to hear about other stories that other people had in their first week on being on YouTube. The next topic, do this now to master YouTube this year, is a great topic to create a video around to kind of capture those new users that are thinking about creating a YouTube channel, and also for existing users who kind of want to rekindle the fire under their channel and master some of the things that they hadn't really mastered yet with their channel. This is a great video that will kind of speak to that. Now, this last topic I really love. The topic is 5 things to enjoy every day of your life. And I think this really speaks to the heart of what people are going through and people wanting to kind of enjoy their lives. And I think it's a great topic for that reason. And it's something a lot of people search for a lot of different ways. They search for those search terms, even if they're not directly in that order. Those search terms are widely searched on the platform. Now, as promised, let's go to the computer and I want to tell you exactly how you can create your own topics such as this via TubeBuddy. First thing you want to do is you want to open up TubeBuddy. If you don't already have TubeBuddy, I think I'm going to leave the link down in the description below. And what you want to do is you want to navigate to the Keyword Explorer. Okay, so after you have the Keyword Explorer pulled up, you want to add in your search terms that you want to check and just hit Explore. I've already added some search terms in so you can see what the results are. So once you hit Explore, what comes up is your ranking for 3 different things. The most important thing that you want to really focus on is the search volume. Because if it has a high search volume, that means a lot of people are searching for it. So if you are ranking high for that area, that's a good thing. Coupled with your ranking for the competition. Now, the competition is always going to be the lowest metric if the search volume is really high. Even if there's a lot of competition for your topic or your search term or your keywords, if the search volume is really high, it'll balance out that. You have a better chance of someone discovering your video in search and then clicking on your video. Because most of the time, if someone is searching for something and they're trying to get information on a particular topic, they're actually going to go through multiple videos to get a variety of information to really understand the topic that they're searching about. I hope you enjoyed this list, and we'll see you in the next one.